and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I will show you how to create these colorful tulips. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are two 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, and glue. Alright guys, once you have your sheets of paper selected, one of them will be for your stem, the other one will be for your tulip. So we're going to get started with the one working with our flower, the tulip. Alright, go ahead and bring one of the corners downward into a triangle. So fold it there, crease, and then we're going to get rid of this rectangle shape there. Open up your page and you're going to fold it. There's a crease there, but we're going to fold it on the opposite direction. So when we open it, it has a plus sign right through the middle. Okay. Go ahead and fold it top to bottom. And then we're going to fold left to right, just like this. Alright, so go ahead and open up your full page. You'll focus on this triangle here, and the left and the right side will parallel to that bottom. So fold that inward, and do the same thing to the left. And you're just going to push the top portion downward, so now you have a big triangle. Alright, so you should have a solid triangle, then you have a left and right flap, and then again a solid on the back. So go ahead and bring your left point here and swing it over towards the right. Using that middle crease in a diagonal way, you're going to just push it downward so it sticks outside of this triangle, and then crease there. Do the same thing to the other side. You want that in a diagonal way. Okay, go ahead and flip it over and do the same thing. And I actually like to use the folding on the back side as a little guide, just so they're a little parallel with one another. Do the same thing to the left. All right, so here is the top part of our tulip, and we don't want our flower to be so pointy off to the edge. So what we're going to do is grab the edge here, that point, and then just fold and fold that. And now we're going to open each little crease up, and you're going to follow the crease and just tuck them inside like this. Okay, you're going to do that to all 4 little creases here. Just pop those right inside, just like this. Go ahead and set your flower portion off to the side. There's some gluing to do, but I want to go ahead and show you how to fold the stem portion. So go ahead and fold the top to the bottom, forming that triangle. We're going to get rid of this rectangle to get that square shape out. Go ahead and open up your sheet. You should have a crease right through the middle. We're going to do something that's called a kite fold. So go ahead and bring this in towards the center crease there, and do the same thing to the left. Okay, and crease there. Now we have something that looks like a kite. You're going to do the same thing to the top portion. So bring this corner inward towards the middle, crease just like this. And we're going to crease that down. Do the same thing to the left. Just like this. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing that we just did and bring this right side towards the middle. You're going to do that to both sides, the left and right. Your page starts getting thicker as we're folding for sure. So just put some extra muscle in there. Alright, so once we get here, bring that bottom portion up to the very top so the points are connecting. And we will crease. Let me flip this over. Okay, so we're going to crease that. Just like this. Alright, and then from here we're just going to fold everything right through the middle. So you have one side that's wider than the other one. You want the one that's like the thinner stem right in the middle. And you're just going to fold that in half. And this is your stem. I'm just you want to pull this out just a little bit. Alright, now let's bring out our glue and start gluing everything into place. So what I want to glue down is this portion right here, the bottom part of this stem. I just want to glue it together. Just like this, okay? You can glue these two, the next ones together if you'd like. If you want to kind of just fold your stem out this way, you can do that also. Just have fun with it. I'm going to leave mine straight for now. Alright, let's bring in our lovely tulip. And you have these little pockets here. I'm just going to put glue right inside that pocket. Do the same thing to its neighbor over here. Okay, so those pockets are glued into place. And now we're going to glue these little flaps that are hanging out over here. Just kind of glue them into place to the rest of your tulip. Just like this. We're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. So we're going to flip this over and add some glue onto the pockets. Add some pressure. Do the same thing to the other side. Some glue, press. And then we're going to open up these little flaps and add a dab of glue there. Just like this. Alright, so our flower is all nice and bloomed. Maybe. Let me add more glue on here. Okay. And now we can put this together. And like I said, your stem, you can leave it straight like this, or if you want to just crease this backwards, you can. It's up to you, however you would like your tulips to be. Alright, so now we're just going to add, I'm going to stick mine on this stem right here. Just some glue there, and bring on over your lovely tulip, and glue into place. Just like this. Alright guys, and there you are. There is your lovely tulip. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next week for more origami fun. Bye.